Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you effortless way to remove Meta AI from Instagram. The Meta AI tool is present on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger to varying degrees, appearing in feeds, chats, searches, and other components of the platforms. While Meta advertised the tool as a way to get things done, learn, create, and connect with the things that matter to you, many users have found the unsolicited presence of AI functionality nothing more than annoying. The bad news is that you cannot simply opt out of the Meta AI entirely. There is no kill switch to turn it all off, but people are still dedicated to finding ways around the unwanted intrusions. One of the most bothersome feature, Meta AI chat, for example, can be curtailed following a few simple steps. The process on Instagram is much the same as Facebook, just on a slightly different interface. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and click it. Again, what was formerly a magnifying glass may now appear as a circle. Click the arrow that appears to the right of the search bar. This will again bring you to Meta AI Chat. Click the eye icon located in the top right-hand corner of the page. Then, select the mute option that appears on the following page. Click the slider at the bottom that says Mute Notifications. Then select the duration of time you want the chat muted. Again, choose the Until I Change It option if you want it turned off indefinitely. While these steps won't scrub the presence of Meta AI completely from your Facebook and Instagram experience, they will mute the prevent notifications from Meta AI chat, one of the features netizens have found most bothersome. You can continue to use the search functions on both platforms like normal, but may see AI suggested searches interspersed in regular search results. Unfortunately, this cannot be turned off at this time, but you can avoid clicking them to continue your browsing as usual. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.